Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube video channel Medtech, and we're still on the series of Chia Portal. So today we're going to talk about the environment of Chia Portal and discovering a little bit some functionality of this software. So here we are, guys. Once we run the software, we will see this platform and see we've got a lot of options here: open existing projects, create new project, migrate project, and close project, install software, and here also online diagnostics and the project view. So to see how this software look like inside, we will create a new project, and for this we'll just click on create new project, and here guys you will just type the information of your project. For example, I just name it to what I want, and let's make it project test, just for example. And here you can choose the path where we're gonna to save your project. Here you can choose what you want, and the version here you can choose the version of your project, the author. If you want to save it with your name, you can type your name here, and comment if you want to give more information about this project. And once you type this information, just create this project with clicking here in create, and just waiting a little bit. This is so once you create your project, here another window appear here, and showing this tree on this window, and choose. If you create a new project, you need to configure your device, and in order to do that, we just click and configure a device, and here if you have already some devices, it will appear here, but if not, just add new device on clicking here, add new device, and here guys you choose the device that you are we're going to work with. For instance, I just choose let's see, for example, the Sematic 1200, and choose a version of 1214 DC, just for example, and you can choose what you want here. And let's take for example this one, and it show you a picture of the device to confirm that's the right device that you want to. For example, if you choose this one, the picture will change. For example, you see guys, the picture changes here. So just to confirm you that you are this is the right device that you're gonna choose. So let's go back and choose our device here, the 1200 DC, and once choose it, just click add here. And waiting a little bit to open the environment and the platform of work platform. Come on. That's it. That's the platform. How does it look like? This is the main window, and I have already this one. Let's make this one here, put it here to give us more space, and this one here. It's first time you will open it, that will appear like this, and you can change it as you want. So here guys, you see our PLC here is showing in this window, and this is what I'm gonna show you guys. This our Hmi project here. This 99% of our work will be here. For example, this is our device that we have created, the 1214 DC, and if you want to add more device, just click in device, add new device here, and you will go to choose other device, but we're not going to add more device, for instance. And here for our program, we put it here in this tab, main block OB1. Double click, and the main window to tap your program is appearing here. You see guys, this is where we tap our program here. And now guys, if you want to add your PLC tags here, you can add them in the table. This is the default tag table if you want to choose it. If not, you can create your own table. This is the table here. If you want to create your own table, just add new tag table and a new table will be created. So here you can add if you want to add more devices, like let's see, if you want to create an Hmi project, just clicking on add new devices, and here we go in Hmi and choosing what Hmi that you are working to. For instance, we have not a physical HMI, but we're going to choose PC system and choose this this one, for example, 1cc RT Professional, and click OK. And and the device will be added in our project, in our project tree here. So once it's added, it, it will be, that's it guys. Here we have our PC system, which is a simulation of HMI, because we have not in physical HMI, which just choose our PC as an HMI and work with this. And in here in our HMI, a new tree project is created. You can add screens, you can add also table tags, you can more functionality here. For example, if you want to create a screen, you just add a new screen, and a new screen will be created here. That's it guys. Our screen is created here, and you see guys here the little lateral tab here is changed because we are creating the screen, and also this functionality is working with our screen. If you want, for example, create this circle, we just drag it here, and you can choose it, add it, and edit it as we want. And if you want to see here properties, you double click here, and the properties is appeared here of this, just of this circle in our screen. We can modify it for layout, flashing, style designs, miscellaneous security of this little circle. And if you want to add more functionality, this is a fully charged of functionality. If you want to choose everyone where you want here. And this is guys the standard tools we can work with. Here the N.2 here for compile our program, and this for download it to device. If you have a physical device in your work and in your project, you can download to device the program for the device, and here you can upload from the device. It means from the PLC to your PC. And here we have this button of start simulation, and it's automatically start the PLC sim setup. And here start runtime on this PC. Here go online, and this is go offline. This guys, this tool will be showed more deeply in the next videos. We're going to work with these tools, just don't worry. And this is guys a little bit a small introduction to the environment of PLCs of the TIA portal, and the environment of working. And that's it guys. We'll start our work for the next videos and start our project. So I hope that you are enjoyed this video, and see you next video. Bye bye.